So Courtney, she just turned 30. Shout out, love you. Awesome, fun night. I just have to say, Courtney has really hot friends. Like, are you kidding me? These are Courtney's friends. How freaking cute.
She's got the witch hat.
Love that too.
Yeah, the black hat. The black hat.
Like, it's all here. It's all here.
Right
Oh my god, I love that.
Right there. Yes.
I just turned 34. Those are 4 very crucial years. Very crucial years. And I don't know if I got it in me. I don't know if I could rally on Sunday right now. Like, do you see? Like, I am like trying to... What? Like these kids, they think I'm like a machine, like a robot. And I used to be, but I'm not anymore. Like, I am feeling it. I'm getting old. The bitch is getting old. Like, okay, so it's the next day. I wake up, you know, feeling okay. I got like all my hydration going, just like all the hydrating drinks. I got my Chipotle hangover kit. And, you know, I'm like, last night, like, we did that Oh no, these fuckers are already down at the beach house calling me for round 2. Like, it was all I could do. Like, I'm not a robot. I can't keep up this lifestyle. All right, what's up, guys? So it's Super Bowl Sunday, and as you can see, I just got myself like ready. I'm more of a halftime show fan. Go Bengals first off. Ohio first. Everything Ohio. It's Ohio. Everything else is next. So let's go Bengals. But I mean, football's cool, but I appreciate football for the bar reasons, but I'm not a big fan of football. But my outfit today is inspired by, oh my God, it just started snowing, guys. Just started snowing. Anyway, so this outfit is inspired by Snoop Dogg, dude. Halftime show, that's where I'm living. I'm gonna drink y'all's drinks and eat y'all's snacks, but I'm more of a halftime show fan. So I am like fully black and yellow, got the thing, got the Converse going. So I'm here for the halftime show. I'm just gonna I'm gonna have a couple drinks, get a little pregame going, get in the mind frame of Super Bowl Sunday. And all right, here's for the Bengals. Since my outfit is not Bengal friendly, my shot is orange. So I'm there. Here's to the Bengals, guys. You know, the Simpsons predicted they're gonna win. So if you know anything about the Simpsons, they are master manifestors. You know, you'll see a show and it'll turn right into reality like real quick. So are we gonna chase it with Red Bull? Because if we're gonna put this shit in our body, let's just put all the trash in there at once. So cheers to the Bengals.
All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit.
All right, it's the next day. It's Valentine's Day. I decided to go treat myself for Valentine's Day. So I went and got me some cute little cupcakes. I got me some champagne and flowers, and I just kind of spoiled myself, you know? When you're single AF on Valentine's Day, just do it for yourself, you know? There's no shame in my game. Made myself some crab legs, like, treat yourself, you know? Don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. Okay, so do you guys ever go to the grocery store with your mother? And she's like, oh, I just have to get a couple things, just like 4 items. It has been almost an hour and she's still not out here. Look at all this shit I got in like quickety lickety split. Hour later, still not here. I even warned her today. I'm like, hey, I have a lot of running around to do. I've got like 4 stops I gotta make. I got all this stuff I gotta do. Are you sure you wanna come? She said yes. Little did I know. Joke's on me. I was like, I do not go grocery shopping with her because She's the girl that like picks up 5 different ketchups and looks at all of them and then doesn't buy any of them. And does that with the same thing. Pasta aisle, like it's the same thing. And then she won't even buy it. She just sits there for like 10 minutes and picks everything up and looks at it, reads the ingredients, puts it back down, and moves on to the next item. And she knows, like, I will go grocery shopping with her. Like, she knows when she gets out here what it's going to be. Meanwhile, I still have to go unload all of this stuff at the bar, go to my house, unload my stuff, do payroll, pick that up, bring it back to the bar. Like, what? Hour later, are you kidding me? Well, well, well. She has arrived. You are in trouble, girl. Okay, so we finally made it home. We're done. So I'm just making dinner. Tonight I am making a low-carb tomato bun burger. So I found this recipe on TikTok. So it looked really good. So I'm just heating up my grill. These are all the seasonings I use for my meat. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, but I like my burgers to have like a nice crust charcoal on the outside. So I like to get my grill pretty hot. So something like that nice crispy little outside to it. All right, while those babies are cooking, we got all of our vegetables cut up. So got some red onion, some avocado, cheese, pickles, the tomato. The tomato you want to slice pretty thick because it is acting as the bun. It can be really messy, so make sure you cut that really thick. Nice little bit of cheese on top. I love this mayo. It's a vegan mayo. All right, so I went with the lettuce and the avocado first on each side of the tomato bun. Then I added my onions, then my burger. Looks so good. All right, we got to have that yellow mustard, honey. Got to have the yellow mustard. All right, so next we're going to try to toothpick these. Excuse my Christmas tree. This is all I had. So we're going to toothpick these in here to try to keep it together as much as possible. And we're going to cut right through this. And it came out so freaking good, guys. And look how pretty it is. Low carb, gorgeous, so good. I definitely recommend this dish. If you're trying to do like the low carb thing, this is so good, absolutely amazing. Here's how I finished it off because I gotta have my pickles. What is a burger without pickles, you know? All right, guys, so it's been a few days since we last spoke. I've just been doing a lot of bar stuff, a lot of work stuff, taxes. It sucks. It's not fun. So, yeah. This is the first day I've actually put some makeup on and actually straightened my hair. So just took a little extra step to be presentable today. So not a fun day either. Just more bar stuff. There's not a lot like fun happening. I will say, look at this tan. If you guys tan in a can is what I call it. Loving tan is so amazing. I'm a redhead. I do not tan well. So, or when I do tan, like I don't retain it. As soon as I get in the shower, it goes away. So I have been tanning in a can for like 14, 15 years. And it's always been my best option. And I finally found a product that is just, it's perfect. It's a little expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but it is so worth it. I get the glove and put it on there and it just does such a good job. So I'm a whitey, like super white. So this is kind of this is the next day. I put it on at night and then like this is like the next day results. Obviously I have makeup over it, but you can still see like the tone. So highly recommend Loving Tan. So sponsor me one day. That would be really dope. I'm like a candidate for this product. Redhead, been tanning in a can for, like I said, 15 years. So help a sister out. So, and I'll kind of show you like a little bit of progress. I think I videoed, so. 1 hour later. 2 hours later, and look how much this tan has developed. in just 2 hours. So yeah, love that. And I just want to show you what I did with the leftovers with the tomato bun burger. I actually made this cheeseburger salad and it was so good. I think I liked it better than the burger actually. It was amazing and still low carb. So yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. Oh, last thing. So I'm getting ready to book a vacation to Florida. What I thought was gonna be just like a fun little quick getaway is soon turning into a like whole family vacation, which is cool. You know, we haven't done it for a long time, so I'm cool with that. But so yeah, hopefully we're gonna be vlogging. We will be vlogging that 100%. So that's coming soon. So that'll be fun, little vacation vlog to Florida. And yeah, that's about it. So if you've watched the video this long, thank you. I appreciate it. You're my guy. You're my girl. You're my peoples. Thank you. And yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.